This is a voiceover chill video. I'm gonna be reading a blog post, highlighting some quotes using RemNote Clipper, and taking some fleeting notes, literature notes, and permanent notes. Timestamps available. I'm passionate about mindful productivity, so this is the Medium article I picked. Overcoming procrastination, why mindfulness is the key. I won't be recording scrolling down the article in real time since I'm not sure about the rules for that, so I'll just quickly show you how the RemNote extension works. This is a new link, so I'm going to click the RemNote Clipper extension to create a new document. Moving forward, let's say this is a passage that resonates with me. I will highlight it and click the extension. Then you'll have the option to add notes on that particular quote, but I personally don't do that until everything is on RemNote. Just writing down the types of notes, so permanent, literature, and fleeting. My goal is to adapt the Zettelkasten method digitally. What I'm about to show you is not quite Zettelkasten yet, and I'm okay with that. I'll probably have a separate video discussing the topic. Plus, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've come a long way in how I take notes, so I'm confident that my notes will only get better. As an aside, these videos are getting more difficult to film since I feel like my notes get more personal, but I'll show you anyway. Step 1 is fleeting notes. This is when I evaluate if the quotes are worth keeping. So if I have something to comment on, I'll keep it and add the quote universal descriptor. If I don't, I'll just delete it. This is also when it gets a little bit awkward to film because I talk to myself a lot here and I'm going to be using lots of indenting. These thoughts are fast moving, so I cannot take a break after reading the article because I need to capture them real quick. After I take a break to let those thoughts simmer, I move on to step 2, which is literature notes. So that means just summarizing in my own words what the article is about. Step 3 is permanent notes. I really only have one evergreen note for this article, which is fine. Again, just a friendly reminder that this workflow is not necessarily correct. People organize information in their brain differently, but feel free to get inspired from my process. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.